Katja here. We're coming to New Orleans. We are going to have 2 workshops with the general theme of belonging. We're working on this theme to really get a sense and a kind of an apprenticeship. So that's why there's 2 workshops. The first one is more generally, how do we belong into our body? What are the positions that we're having, or the conversation that our body has with us? Can we listen to it? Can we find the seat of belonging within us? How can we really access? How can we root this understanding of belonging? Because it seems obvious, but it surely isn't. I mean, I've been working on it for more than 6 months to develop, of course, these workshops. And I found that there are huge pockets inside of me, even after being 30 years in the work, that, were not fully belonged. They were partially, but not fully. So the work we're doing is through movements. Dancing, you don't need to know how to dance. You don't need to be a dancer. If you are, well, that's can be a plus, because you certainly can dance for a few hours. But it's filled with transpersonal process work, with different methods that guides you, that offer you the opportunity of going deeper into this understanding, to find a dancer within you, to also find how to create these bridges of relationship with the outside. But the first 2 days are very much the introduction and the beginning and the understanding, and the last 2 days of the workshops will be much more into process work, into releasing the negative subconscious that holds that buffer, that ability of belonging. Is it a skill? Is it something we forgot? All this will be explored. In the meantime, the process is also fun. It's not a drag. It's done with a lot of love, and it gets yourself in touch with yourself. So that's the aim, and I hope to see you there. You can register on the web. You can email me with your questions. You can call me, and I hope to see you there. Bye for now.